Hey everyone, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Have you ever tried opening a website and suddenly this annoying message pops up or this site can't be reached? So don't worry, you are not alone. In today's video on TechnoWaves, I'm going to show you step by step how to fix this error on your laptop or PC in the simplest way possible. So let's get started. So firstly, just search Control Panel and open it up. Then go to Network and Internet. Then tap on Network and Sharing Center. Now you can select your internet. Here you can see my Wi-Fi. In here you can select Properties. Uncheck this Internet Protocol 6. That's it. Click on or tap on OK. This is the simple way, guys. Now you can search anything. And secondly, guys, if still it is doesn't work, so guys, if your internet is fine but you are still facing the issue, so your browser cache might be the culprit. For that, go to Chrome settings, then go to privacy and security, tap on that. Just clear your all browsing data and make sure you select cache and cookies. After that, here you can see. Yes. After that, restart your browser. Now you can check out and search. Yeah, that's it, guys. You can see here. So these were the best working methods to fix this site can't be reached error. So try them and I'm sure one of these will solve your problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to TechnoWaves and press that bell icon so you never miss our latest tech fixes and trouble issues. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.